Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with what's essential: your SBI user ID, password, and registered mobile. Open SBI Yono or the online SBI portal now. Choose Personal Banking. Once there, enter your credentials and complete OTP or MPIN verification so the session is secure. If prompted, select the account type and the specific account number. This immediate login step establishes the authenticated session required to access statements and avoids unnecessary navigation later. Make sure the phone receiving once logged in, go straight to Accounts and open Account Summary. Pick the exact savings or salary account you need. Then select e-statement or download statement and set the date range. Short ranges load faster and reduce errors. Choose PDF for official use or CSV for spreadsheets, and pick either download now or send to your registered email. After choosing format, confirm and authenticate one more time if asked. This step ensures the bank securely processes your statement request and delivers the correct file. Finish by downloading or opening the emailed e-statement. Many SBI PDFs are password protected. Try the standard password format, often your DOB and DDMIE. Once downloaded, verify transactions and save a copy in a secure folder. If the file won't download or the OTP fails, clear browser cache, switch to a desktop, or request email delivery instead. If problems persist, call SBI Customer Care with your CIF and account number and tell them the exact time and error to get targeted support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.